What if I told you there's one dirt cheap thing you're probably ignoring that could add 200,000 miles to your Kia's engine? The crazy part is that most Kia owners are skipping this because they trust what their dealer tells them. And that's exactly why thousands of Theta 2 and new engines are grenading themselves on highways right now, even with low mileage. Before we dive, you need to understand what's really happening inside your Kia's engine right now. Whether you're driving a Forte, Seltos, Sorento, or Sportage, most modern Kias use GDI, gasoline direct injection, and turbocharged engines. These are the new Gamma, Theta 2, and SmartStream families. But here's what Kia won't plaster on their brochures. These engines are ticking time bombs if you follow the factory maintenance schedule blindly. The tight tolerances and high heat that make them efficient also make them incredibly sensitive to one thing: oil quality and change intervals. We're talking about engines with clearances measured in thousandths of an inch, turbos spinning at 150,000 RPM, and direct injection systems that skip the valves entirely. One wrong move with your oil, and you're not just looking at poor performance, you're looking at catastrophic failure. All right, let's get into it. 10. Oil dilution is quietly killing your bearings. Number 10 on our countdown might sound technical, but trust me, this is happening in your engine right now. Every time you start your Kia, especially on short trips like your morning coffee run or dropping kids at school, unburned fuel sneaks past your piston rings and dilutes your oil. And when your oil gets diluted, something terrifying happens. Your oil loses its ability to protect. The film strength collapses, metal starts grinding on metal, and your bearings begin scoring themselves to death. This is especially brutal in SmartStream engines with stop-start systems. Every time your engine shuts off at a red light and fires back up, more fuel contaminates your oil. For factory intervals of 7,500 or 10,000 miles, that oil is basically soup by 5,000 miles. But here's the beautiful part. Regular oil changes flush all that contaminated oil out before it can do damage. You're literally hitting the reset button on protection every time. 9. Your turbo lives or dies by oil freshness. Number 9 is personal to everyone driving a 1.6-liter Turbo Forte, Seltos, or Soul. Your turbocharger is one of the most remarkable pieces of engineering in your car. It's cramming extra air into your cylinders using exhaust gases, spinning a turbine faster than a dental drill. But here's the catch. That turbo is cooled and lubricated by one thing only, and that's your engine oil. And when that oil gets old and breaks down, your turbo bearings start running dry. The shaft begins wobbling. You hear that signature turbo whine turn into a scream, and then a complete turbo failure happens. We're talking $2,000 to $3,000 for a replacement. Fresh synthetic oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles keeps those bearings swimming in clean, heat-resistant lubrication. Owners who stick to this schedule are seeing turbos last 200,000 miles without a hiccup. 8. Fresh oil is your only defense against GDI carbon. At number 8, we're tackling the dark side of direct injection. GDI engines spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber, completely bypassing the intake valves. This makes them efficient, but it also means those valves never get washed by gasoline. So what washes them instead? Oil vapors from your crankcase ventilation system. And when that oil is old, contaminated, and breaking down, it leaves behind carbon deposits on your valves. This is why Kias developed that rough idle, hesitation on acceleration, and misfires around 50,000 to 80,000 miles. Your valves are literally caked with carbon. But frequent oil changes minimize the crud in those vapors. Clean oil means cleaner vapors. Cleaner vapors mean your valves stay clearer longer. You're pushing that expensive walnut blasting service from 50,000 miles to 100,000 miles or beyond. 7. Factory metal shavings don't flush themselves. Number 7 is going to make you mad, so buckle up. Remember those massive Theta 2 engine recalls? Hundreds of thousands of Kia Optimas, Sorentos, and Sportages with engines just dying. You know what Kia found during their investigation? Metal debris left over from the manufacturing process, literally shavings from the factory circulating through the engine oil, scoring bearings until they failed catastrophically. Now, most of those affected engines have been replaced under warranty. But here's the thing, even new engines can have microscopic debris. Aggressive early oil changes can flush all that garbage out before it can embed itself in your bearings. 6. Kia labels almost every driver as severe duty. Number 6 is where Kia plays a little trick on most owners. Open your owner's manual and you'll see 2 maintenance schedules, normal and severe. Guess which one you fall under. If you live anywhere with traffic, dust, humidity, short trips, or temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit or below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you're in severe danger. Which is basically everyone. Yet dealers default to the normal schedule because it looks cheaper and seems convenient. Severe duty demands oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or every 3 months. This isn't optional, it's in your manual. Ignore it, and you're gambling with a $3,000 to $5,000 engine replacement. 5. Sludge doesn't stand a chance against modern synthetics. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, and this one is pure magic. Old oil, especially conventional or low-quality synthetic, turns into sludge. But when you switch to a strict regimen of high-quality full synthetic oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, that sludge literally starts dissolving. Modern synthetics have detergents and dispersants that break down deposits and hold them in suspension until you drain them out. Owners report engines that were ticking, knocking, and running rough, suddenly smoothing out after just 2 or 3 oil changes. Once you start doing 3,000-mile oil changes, engine runs quieter than it did at 50,000 miles. 4. Old oil is stealing your fuel economy. Number 4 hits your wallet in the best way possible. When your oil gets old and thick, your engine has to work harder to overcome internal friction. Pistons drag, valve train components struggle. Your fuel pump works overtime. All that extra effort means you're burning more gas for the same amount of power. Owners often see MPG drop by 2 to 5 miles per gallon without even realizing it's the oil. But switch to fresh, low viscosity, full synthetic 0W20 or 5W30, depending on your model, and watch your fuel economy bounce right back. We're talking an extra 30 to 50 miles per tank. Over a year, that's easily $200 to $400 in fuel savings. Your oil changes basically pay for themselves. 3. Frequent oil changes stop wear before it multiplies. This is where things get existential. Engine wear isn't linear, it's exponential. Once wear starts, it accelerates. Metal particles from scored bearings contaminate the oil. That contaminated oil scores more components. Those components shed more particles. It's a vicious cycle. And once this death spiral starts, it's almost impossible to stop without a complete teardown and rebuild. But frequent oil changes break this cycle before it even begins. You're removing contaminants before they can multiply. You're flushing wear metals before they can become abrasive. There's a reason you see 200,000-mile Kias with perfect compression and oil pressure. Their owners never let the death spiral start. They changed oil religiously, used quality filters, and kept everything clean. This is how you get a Gamma 1.6 liters to 200,000 kilometers with internals so clean they look factory fresh. It's been documented, it's been proven, and you can do it too. 2. Proper oil pressure brings your engine back to life. Fresh oil does something incredible. It restores proper oil pressure and film strength across every bearing surface, every cam lobe, every piston ring. And when that happens, your engine suddenly wakes up. Throttle response sharpens. Acceleration feels crisp again. Clean oil with the right viscosity maintains proper clearances, reduces friction, and lets your engine breathe. Valve timing becomes precise. Piston rings seal properly. Compression stays high. Owners consistently report their Kias feeling like new immediately after an oil change. That's not magic, that's proper maintenance. 1. This habit saves you from a $5,000 engine failure. And here we are, number 1. The ultimate reason this one habit will make your Kia engine run like new. Everything we've talked about, such as sludge, carbon, wear, turbo failure, dilution, it all builds toward one inevitable conclusion if you neglect your oil: complete engine failure. We're talking seized bearings, spun rods, scored cylinder walls. Your engine doesn't just run poorly, it stops running entirely. And when that happens, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 for a used engine replacement, plus labor. But here's the beautiful irony. All of that, every single dollar, every hour of downtime, every headache, can be prevented with $40 oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Do the math. Let's say you drive 15,000 miles a year. At 3,000 mile intervals, that's 5 oil changes. At $40 to $60 each, you're spending $200 to $300 annually. Versus $5,000 for an engine. That's a 96% discount on keeping your Kia alive. And it's not just about money, it's about reliability. So there you have it, 10 solid, research-backed reasons why regular oil changes will make your Kia engine run like new. So when was the last time you actually changed your oil? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video saved you from a future engine failure, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We've got a whole series coming on maintenance secrets your dealer won't tell you.